Welcome to our channel, where we share powerful insights and techniques to help you live your best life. In today's video, we'll reveal a potent prayer that can accelerate the arrival of money in your life. By tapping into this divine force, you'll unlock the path to financial abundance and experience blessings like never before. So, if you're ready to invite prosperity into your life at an astonishing pace, keep watching. Divine Father, envision the boundless treasure that awaits in heaven. Imagine the multitude of blessings bestowed upon me, love, family, and friendship, making me richer beyond measure. Still, I must admit that the burden of financial debt weighs heavily upon my heart, clouds my thoughts, and saddens my soul. Oh, Almighty, I cannot envision a way out, despite my relentless toil and dedication. I humbly request you to renew my mind, liberate it from this burden, and allow me to place it at the foot of the cross. Grant me the wisdom to comprehend your intentions for me, so I may breathe, live, and love within your liberating embrace. O Lord, I trust in your divine power and seek a miracle, a miraculous release from these shackles of debt. Bless my family, protect us, and guide us until the day we truly attain financial freedom. Dear Universe, I am grateful for all the blessings in my life. I now open myself to receive an abundance of wealth and prosperity. I believe in the limitless opportunities that surround me. With every breath, I attract money into my life at an astonishing pace. My financial blessings arrive 700 times faster, and I use them to create a positive impact in my life and the lives of others. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Amen. Make this prayer a part of your daily routine. Say it with conviction and feel the emotions of already having the financial abundance you desire. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and share this video with others who might benefit from it. Thank you for joining us today. May you attract financial abundance beyond your wildest dreams. Until next time, keep manifesting miracles with the power of prayer. Goodbye.